We are absolutely thrilled to be celebrating the creation of this unique, one-of-a-kind dragon boat. The PeaceHealth Kearney Breast Center dragon boat will promote both breast health and dragon boating. This beauty will travel all over the Northwest to various dragon boat events, and we can't wait to get it blessed and on its way. We're so grateful that the monks from the True Lin Zen Temple are able to be here with us today to give the traditional Zen blessing.
南无大悲观世音菩萨，南无大悲观世音菩萨，南无大悲观世音菩萨。
The vast majority of people will survive their treatment of breast cancer and live a long, healthy, productive life. But what we don't have are resources to help them after they've gone through everything. I want to thank everybody for designing something that I think is going to bring women together and they can continue to use for the rest of their life. So very much a thank you for that.
Bless the lives of all who come to this boat for help. Bless our benefactors who have so graciously donated their funds to make this possible. Bless the hands that built this boat, sturdy and strong. The hearts that fill this boat with love for those who experience breast cancer. Bless the paddlers that they may become stronger, more self-confident, and renewed in health. Please fill this boat with the spirit of healing. We seek the blessings of health upon all who participate in this dragon boat's journey. May it hold courage, determination, excitement, and fun as it navigates the waters of this earth. In thanksgiving, we bless this boat.